Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. ഇന്ന് ലോകത്തുള്ള എല്ലാ ആളുകളും അനുഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വിഷയമാണ് രക്തസമ്മർദ്ദം അഥവാ ബ്ലഡ് പ്രഷർ. ലോ ബ്ലഡ് പ്രഷർ ആൻഡ് ഹൈ ബ്ലഡ് പ്രഷർ, two types. The moon and the Mars are the karagas of blood. These two planets are responsible for causing variations in blood pressure. When Moon and Mars be lords of Dusthanas are 3, 6, 8, 12 are the Dusthanas of a horoscope. Be conjoined with the lords of Dusthanas, be in Dusthanas, or be afflicted by malefics and be in some way related with the house of diseases. Sixth house is the diseases. Aradi rogatyam aradinado mridishwaro mrityabhayankarodi shashtam dwadishamashtamanjamunayo bhavanam talidu. The moon is in the sixth house. Mars is aspects by Mars. The person may get blood pressure. Or with a disease inflicting planet, they may give rise to the disease of blood pressure. The watery signs Karkadaga, Vrichika and Meena Rashis, and also fourth sign and 12th houses are ruled in blood. Mars, the Karaga of red corpuscles, and watery, this moon is the Karaga of water. When they are well guarded, they guarantee the normal pressure of blood. When these houses are weak and afflicted, they give rise to the disease. A weak and afflicted moon and a strong and afflicted Mars are responsible for high blood pressure. A weak and afflicted moon together with a weak and afflicted Mars is responsible for low blood pressure. Lagna and Lord of the Lagna have important functions in this disease. Lagna is Sharira, Dehasya, Saushtavam, Swastham, Siriha, Yashasugam, Jayava Pujam Tal, Sarvam Chindaniyam Vilagnada. The Lord of the Lagna is powerful, Moon is powerful, Mars is powerful. They are not in the Dusthanas. The person will be healthy. If Mars and Moon be strong, unaffected and well situated in Navamsaka Chakra, the malefic influences in natal chart will be much minimized and very strong combinations in Navamsaka Chakra may even counteract the evil forces completely. If Lagna or Lord of the Lagna be also strong in Navamsaka Chakra, they minimize the evil effects of blood pressure. Lagna Midun, Venus in Mesha, Saturn in Vrishaba, Ketu in Kanya, Jupiter in Dhanus, the Mars in Magara, Sun and Moon in the Kumbha, Mercury and Rahu in the Meen Rashi. This is cause of high blood pressure. The reason for the same are Lord of the Lagna is debilitated and is with malefic. Moon is weak, being almost new moon, is hemmed between malefics and is aspected by malefic. Mars is lord of the sixth house and is in eighth house, in house of his bitter enemy but exalted. Karaka, Vrishaba and Meena Rashis ruling blood are afflicted. Fourth, eighth, 12th houses from Lagna ruling blood are also afflicted. Thus, we find the house of planets ruling blood and afflicted are in a position to give rise to the disease of high blood pressure. The Lagna is affected by strong malefics, and Lord of the Lagna is in the eighth house, aspected by malefic. The person may get high blood pressure. The Sun, the Lagna Karaka is debilitated, the person will get diabetic. So, Sun is the greatest physician in the world. Sun can cure diseases and water also. If you drink water properly, at least 8 to 10 glasses of water, certain percentage of your pressure can be controlled. And one piece of garlic every day and few leaves of drumsticks eat daily, you can control your high blood pressure. Thank you very much. I will come tomorrow with other subject. My subject is medical sciences and astrology. So please subscribe and visit my channel.